Hi, my name is Michael Williams, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about the settings area in Poco 5. The settings area is the area here on the far right hand side of the Poco screen. And this area exists in all of the data entry screens. Right now we're looking at the People tab. This is what it looks like in the Vendors tab, the Flights tab, the Hotels tab, the Cars tab, and the Shoot Day tab. You can see that it generally looks similar in each data entry tab, and the only differences really are related to the type of data that's in each one of those layout tabs. In this video, we're just going to be looking at the settings area in the People tab because the People tab has more features in the settings area. The settings area is divided into three separate areas. There's the Find Sort area, the Revision Colors area, and then the Publish Document area. Up top, the Find Sort area contains a series of buttons, and these buttons have been customized to deal with the data that's specific to that type of data entry tab. Here in the People tab, we're dealing with crew, cast, and studio people, so these buttons are easy ways to find and sort those different types of people. Clicking on the Crew Department Order button, we'll find just the crew members and sort those people into their departments and orders, and you can see that the found set has changed up here. Clicking on Cast, we'll just find the cast. Clicking on Studio, we'll just find the studio people. You can also find all of the records and sort them by last name, or finally find all the records and unsort them entirely. When records are unsorted, they'll just appear in the order in which they were entered. The next section down here is the Revision Colors section, and this allows you to set the revision color for a number of different documents: the crew list, cast list, studio list, and the phone extension list. Each one of these can be set independently. To do this, you just click on the pull-down list and select the revision color for the document. And this pull-down list with the revision colors is fully editable. If you just scroll down to the bottom, you'll see an item that says Edit, and when you click on that, you'll be able to edit the names of the colors in this list. The last section here is the Publish Document area. Of course, you always have the ability to go up to File and Print, and you can create PDFs or print out any document that you'd like. But the Publish Document area gives you more control over the types of things that you can do with each document, including using Poco's internal email system. The first field in the Publish Document area is this pull-down field, and this is the field from which you'll select the document that you want to publish. Let's say right now we want to publish the confidential cast list. The buttons beneath will then give you options as to what to do with that document. You can either print it to your printer, save a PDF of that document, or email a PDF of that document. Let's go ahead and email a PDF. You click on the button. Poco will then present us with the choice. Because we've selected a document that is actually in the distribution list, Poco is offering us the ability to address this email it's about to create to everyone who's supposed to receive the confidential cast list from the distribution list. I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And then Poco creates an email and addresses it to everyone who's supposed to receive it from the distribution list, creates a subject with the show name and the type of document. It will also include a canned message that has been pre-written in the Setup tab for this particular document. It then attaches the document as a PDF, and all I need to do to publish it is hit send. Of course, you can also publish documents which aren't in the distribution list, and when you do that, Poco will just create an email without any addresses in the to line. The last two items here are only used in a few documents in Poco: the email text button and the email PDF and text button. Only a small handful of documents can be published just as text: the travel itinerary, the status report, there may be one or two others. When you've selected one of those documents, these button items will light up and you'll be able to use them, but in every other document they'll be grayed out. And that about covers it for the settings area in Poco 5. Be sure to hit us up on both our Facebook and our Twitter feeds. We would love to hear what you think of the product. Thanks again, and we really hope that you enjoy using Poco 5.